Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably a student who wants to make a little bit of extra income on the side for those nights out or for the books that you need. So make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This video could also be for somebody who either wants to be their own boss or needs to make a little bit of extra income. You should also stay till the end, but judging by the name of this video, I'm gonna assume that most of you are students. I'm gonna take you through 3 methods to suit any type of skill set, so there are no excuses at all to not be making some extra money this month. Some of them are very random and weird and wonderful. It's crazy the things that you can do for money, and some of them get a little more creative. So make sure you stay for all 3 because they're very different and they're gonna suit different personality types, and one you may enjoy more than the other. So I'm going to take you through the things that you can do for money using TaskRabbit. I'm going to show you how you can start dropshipping, and then I'm also going to show you how you can make a lot of money on Upwork. And if you don't believe me, watch this.
I made over $400,000 freelancing on Upwork in less than 3 years, and I'm on pace to make over $500,000 before the end of 2019.
Honestly, I had no idea it was such a big industry. You guys are gonna have to excuse the slight husky to my voice today. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I have come here to taskrabbit.co.uk. However, it is available in America at taskrabbit.com. Now, this is where consumers can ask for any help that they need. However, if you want to become a tasker, you're going to go up here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Okay, earn money your way. So there are so many different tasks here that you can help with, whether you're going to help someone move, work as an event planner or event staff. If you have any random skills such as carpentry or IKEA assembly, I know a lot of people are good at that and do enjoy it, then this is somewhere that you can make money for doing that. If you're good at cleaning, you can get paid to clean. If you love pets, then you can pet sit. Or if you're just very good at being yourself, then you can work as event staff, where part of your job might be to just go around and make sure that people are having a good time. Although I do think the weirdest one I have seen is queuing. You can literally be paid to stand in a line for somebody else. You can be on your phone, you can read a book, you can do whatever you want to do, and you are being paid to just stand in a queue. This might be for a launch of a new product or a movie, and somebody else doesn't have time to get in the queue, but they want it. Maybe it's for tickets or something. So you can get paid just to wait around. It almost sounds too good to be true, but it is true. It's right here on TaskRabbit, so I'm going to drop that in the link below. And if you guys want to check it out, let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, the next method I'm going to go through is dropshipping. Of course I am. I work at Salesforce and I'm obsessed with dropshipping. I think it's a great way to make that little bit of extra cash, or to make it your full-time job if you have enough passion for it. So I'm going to go through a few points, like how much money will you need to start a dropshipping business. It's not much, trust me, compared to other businesses. It's not a lot at all. And I'll show you how to get started and how you can find products really quickly by yourself or using tools like Salesforce. But first, what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which the seller doesn't actually handle the products or hold inventory. The seller finds a wholesaler who sells a product at a cheaper price, and they then create their own website and they market this product for a higher price, and they're then able to keep that profit. The wholesaler then ships it directly to their customer. The next thing we're going to do is go through a full money breakdown. So one way you can do it with almost no money is by dropshipping on eBay. It's a free platform to use as a seller, and all you need to do is find products on AliExpress, and then you can dropship these products on eBay. So you would set up an eBay account, and it is something that you're going to have to keep track of because you're going to actually have to fulfill these orders yourself. So what happens is a customer will buy something from you on eBay, and then once you have been paid, you can then set up that order with the customer's name and address on AliExpress. I have a whole video on this, and I'm going to drop it somewhere on the screen. There are tools you can use like DSM, and again I will include that in the video that is on this screen right now. The more popular and creative way to do this is to start your own Shopify. Wordstream has pegged it that the average click-through rate to any ad campaign is about 1%. So if you want to get 400 people to your store, then you're going to need your ad to reach about 40,000 people. Now, the average cost to reach 1,000 people is about $12.45. So let's round that up to $12.50, which means you're going to need about $500 to run your ad campaign. And this is the bare minimum if you actually want to see results. And this doesn't include any of the products or anything like that. You're just spending money on your store and on your ads. So it is a risk, but it's definitely one of the more exciting ways to make money. And I'm going to show you right now how you can find products for your store. So you can do this yourself, or you can do this using a tool such as Salesforce. But I'm going to show you both ways, and then you can choose which is the best for you. So the first way you can do it is to go to any social media, and then you can either search certain pages or hashtags such as hashtag e-commerce, and then you can just scroll through and then see what is getting the most engagement. For example, I love pets, so I might start a pet store, right? So I could search pet supplies and see what comes up, like this. As soon as I see a product with a lot of likes and a lot of comments, I know that it's something that people are interested in, and I know that it's something that's going to sell. The other thing you can do is go onto AliExpress, which is basically the mother or the father of dropshipping. And what you can do is go onto the top ranked products, which are the most popular products, and you know that people are buying from them and they're making sales. So let's click on something like this watch. So first we can see that they have thousands of reviews. It has almost a 5-star review, so we know it's a legitimate seller, and the products are going to be decent quality. Another thing is we can see the amount of variations, so this means you can sell all of these in your store. And the other most exciting thing is you can see the different places that they ship this product from. So it's not just China, they're shipping it from Europe, which is going to make a big difference to how long the shipping time will take. So I don't know if you guys are like me or not, but honestly I'm very busy, and I don't have time to scroll through hundreds and hundreds of products and pages. So I'll always use some kind of tool. So I'm going to show you how Salesforce works. It was designed to make dropshipping easier and e-commerce more simple. So what we have here are hundreds and thousands of products that have already been rated. So these are both Shopify products, and then we have AliExpress products right here. But if we look at the Shopify products, we can see what's already trending and what has had a lot of sales. So if we click here onto these sunglasses, we can see the store that's selling them, and we can see when they made their last sale. We can see the different variations, and then we can also see the different images, which we can download for our own Shopify store, or we can download these for our ad campaigns. Now, if I go across and I click onto the store itself, so I can see their monthly traffic and what their average order value is. Another thing that is really useful is if you go across to their products, we can see their most popular products, right? And okay, so this hair braider, I would love that as a kid, and then I would know that maybe this is also a good product to sell in my store. And we can analyze this product. We can see when it was last updated within the last 3 hours, so this is all real time. We can also use the app on AliExpress to get a lot more data. So if you see the bottom bar, you'll be able to see that we can get a lot of information down here, such as reviews, which we can import to our own store, and we can see their traffic, what the most popular countries are that they're selling in and where we should be selling them. And we can also download images from the extension. And the last thing that we can do is we can go onto either our favorite Shopify stores or our competitors' Shopify stores. And if we click analyze, then we can see exactly how much revenue they're making a month. And we can see what their most popular products are. And it's a really fast and snappy way to grab products and import them to your store and then start selling. Okay, so that's dropshipping. Like I said, that's probably the most exciting way to start your side business, start your hustle, and make some money in a very creative way and in your own way and style. The last thing I'm going to go on to is Upwork. Now, give me a thumbs up in the comments below if you have heard of Upwork before. Okay, so first up, what is Upwork? Upwork is a platform that brings businesses or individuals who need a service together with the freelancer who can provide that service all in one platform, whether that is a writer or a video editor. There are so many things that you can do on Upwork, and it's a more legitimate platform. It's not like Fiverr or people per hour. People aren't going for the cheapest options, they're going for the more reliable options. Okay, so how can I make money on Upwork? So there are so many things you can do for any skill set. A lot of you are doing degrees and you're writing essays, therefore you should be good at writing, and there's a lot of copywriting jobs on Upwork. So you could be, writing an ebook or writing somebody's ad campaign snippets. You could be writing somebody's landing page, all of that. So go and check it out if you're good at writing. That's definitely something that you can get into. It's becoming more popular as we go further online and e-commerce grows. Another one is video editing. This can be anything from a 2-minute video to interviews or educational videos. If it's something that you do, this is a great place to pick up work. Again, we are in a digital era, everything's going online. So this is something that, if you don't already know how to do, maybe you can start learning to do it, and you can make quite a decent amount of money. You can make maybe $150 per hour in some cases. So that is another fun one for all of you creative folk out there. You can do data entry if you feel like you don't have any other skills but you're a fast typer. Data entry is a very good and is a good one, and something that you don't have to think too much about. You're just going to be usually looking things up and then typing it in or copying things. Not the most exciting, but it can pay the bills. It can pay the bills, and that's what we're trying to do here. And the last one is social media management. And I know that a lot of you have social media, you use it, and you're probably good at it and better than a 50-year-old businesswoman who hasn't got time for social media, who hasn't grown up with, say, Instagram or TikTok, and needs somebody in the right generation to take over and man their social media. And that could be you. The next question is, what if I don't have any reviews or experience? Now, reviews are definitely a big factor in picking up work. However, you could offer your services for free. You could find jobs already out there, and maybe you can say, hey, I can do this for half the price, just to gain some experience. I would definitely say, if you know anyone with a little business, maybe do 1 or 2 jobs for free just to get that experience and get those reviews, and then you'll be able to get more jobs, which will obviously then increase your reviews, and also it will then increase the amount that you can charge. So here are some jobs that are being posted at the moment. And here are some of the freelancers. I actually came across this because I watched a video on Morgan Overholt, who is a graphic designer who ended up making $500,000 on Upwork, and she was actually thinking of, she did quit graphic design because she thought that she'd never be able to make enough, and it was only when she got onto Upwork that she started making these kind of numbers. So this is a very interesting video that I would really recommend. I'll drop it in the description below, but yeah, I suggest you all watch it and all get onto Upwork, because there is a big potential to make a lot of money about. Anyway guys, that is it from me. They are my 3 favorite ways to make a little bit of money on the side that anybody can do, anybody can start. So like I said, no excuses, just get out there and do it. Thank you for watching this, and I really hope to see you all next time. Make sure that you like and subscribe on your way out so that I can carry on making these videos.